San Mateo Point to the Mexican border down to 30 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border down to 30 nautical miles until 9:15 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a strong thunderstorm ran over mainly open waters and was located near Point Loma, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or locally greater. Waterspout. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will move onto land shortly after 9 p.m. A waterspout was reported west of Point Loma at 8:14 p.m., and an additional waterspout is possible before the storm moves onto land.